I created a Camtasia.ai project from a single Snagit capture image. On looking at the text suggested for the first scene in this, I think it's 13 scene project, or 14 scene project, I discovered that I need to make an edit to this guy, otherwise it won't read right. So I'm going to make the edit right here. I can click in and position my cursor. I haven't created a video yet, but the text I want to put in here is version 2024 06 10. And if I don't add that in, it won't come out, and I need to have that because it's part of the graphic that I want explained. So having done that, I can now generate the video for the first time and maybe be able to hear some of this. So I'll click generate video. And by the way, I could go through the rest of these scenes and do the same, but with this many scenes, it gets difficult to keep track of where the language is flowing from one narration block to the next. So I find it easier to just generate a video and listen. So we'll do that. This takes a little while to get done. Okay, that's finished. What I want to do now is listen really just to the first section, the first scene, to see if my edit took place. And I'll open this up so I can read the text as I listen. So we'll play it.
Welcome to Sales Manager 2016 version 2024-06-10. This is the main interface where you can manage all your sales items efficiently.
Okay, that first scene came out the way I wanted it. Another thing that would be really helpful here is that obviously the first scene spans this much of the video. It would be nice if this could be marked off as a segment, kind of like you do with the table of contents in a regular Camtasia project, and with a number under it that indicates the scene number it applies to. It would make jumping around and editing these sections a lot easier. Next, I would obviously go to my next scene, review the text. See at the top you have tabs for content, blah, blah, blah. And I want to make a change here. Sales items is the currently displayed tab, periods. We can try that and see how it works. If I scrub sales items, yeah, that looks like it might work. So starting with that guy, I would really want to regenerate the video just for this second scene, not the whole thing, because right now when I click regenerate video, the entire video gets reproduced, and again, that takes quite a while. So in order for me to listen to this, I have to do the whole thing. So we'll go ahead and do that. All right, that completed. Now, I've left a playhead here, I guess you call it, at the beginning of the second scene. So I should be able to play this and listen to the number 2 text. So let's see what happens.
At the top, you have tabs for contacts, support tools, and sales items. These help you navigate different sections quickly. Sales items is the currently displayed tab.
All right, that worked out okay. Again, I want to stress it would be helpful if that second section was shown separately from the other ones and with a number on it, like 2, so it corresponded to this. Now I would normally go through the rest of the scenes doing that same step. I'm not going to do it here, but you can see that if I had to regenerate the video for every scene or most of them, it really extends the editing time at this stage in the game.